Welcome to this video. In this video, I'm going to be making a stock analysis of Take-Two Interactive Software. Now, if you like this video, please don't forget to leave a like and subscribe. And of course, remember this isn't financial advice. This is purely for entertainment and educational purposes. Now, what does Take-Two Interactive Software make? Well, they make, as you can see, a packaged software, but in reality, they make games. They own Rockstar, and they also own games like Civilization and 2K. So this is a very interesting company right now. Now, why do I think that? That's of course because I estimate that GTA 6 is going to come out next year, and the current estimate says that it's going to bring in $10 billion for the first year. And I'm going to get into why that's important later. Now, first, let's take a look at the graph over a shorter time period. Now, let's make each candle 4 hours. Now, as you can see, this has been going up and down quite a lot recently. As you can see, in 2021, it was all the way up here in 2210, and then it really hit bottom down here in 21 at 98, and ever since then it has had quite a nice ride upwards. As you can see, quite a volatile stock in this period, but overall, then again, 2022, barely any stocks made any gains at all. Now let's make each candle an hour again. Now as you can see, last year as well has been performing absolutely amazing. Now as well as you can see down here in the RSI, we have been performing quite good, as most of the times we are up here in the upper RSI. Now what is RSI, you might ask? Well, that is the relative strength index. So something between 50 and 70, we are in the upper index, which means the stock is moving upwards. And if it's above 70 here, it's moving up rapidly. As you can see right here, stock price is moving up rapidly, and it's up here being overbought. Now if it's between 50 and 30, it's down here, that means it's in the lower channel, meaning the stock is trading downwards. And then when it's down here, it's being sold off rapidly. This means it's oversold. Now you can see that like this right here, where it's down, and as you can see, again, peak and valley, it's being sold off. Now, as you can see, the market cap for this company is quite huge at $41 million. No, billion dollars, I mean. Now, the beta in this stock, however, is 0.72, which means it is less volatile than the average index, which is Lysin. Now, the earnings in this company has been quite decent, as you can see, performing up by 98%, no, 95%, 58%, and 25%. Now, they did miss the last one, which is of course unfortunate, but it was only by 2%. Now, you can see this earnings here is quite poor, but then again, let's wait and see, as this is being released later today. Now, they don't pay out any dividends currently, as you can see, and that's because they don't make any money currently. That is, of course, because they are investing so goddamn much into GTA 6, which is going to be an amazing game. Now, the reason this is quite important is estimate says it's going to cost $100, which would surprise me given the fact that 2K costs around $100 right now, and GTA might even cost even more, as it is probably the most anticipated game for quite a while now. And some analysts say they think GTA Online is going to be a monthly or yearly subscription, which is going to bring in a lot of revenue, yearly or monthly, which is going to be very nice for Take-Two Interaction, of course. Now, the performance of this stock has been quite decent in the past 2 years, as you can see already. But as you can see, we're just going to go back to 2015, so we have a 10-year graph, as you can see here. Most years it performs quite nicely. Now, we did see 3 negative years. 2022, as you saw earlier, performed quite poorly at minus 41%. Then 21 with minus 12% almost, and 2018 almost down by minus 9%. But overall, as you can see, quite nice years. 2020 up by 70%, 23 up by 56%, 16 up by 44%, and so on and so forth. So overall, it's been performing quite nicely recently. Now, if you go down here to the technicals for the stock, as you can see right here, for the day it's a sell, and for the month it is a buy, which shouldn't surprise anyone. Just look at this graph, it is absolutely amazing. Now, however, recently we have had a bit of a sell-off here, which of course unfortunate, but let's see if it won't stable off, and as you can see right now, we are getting a bit of trading upwards again. Now, something you should note in the way they're making their money is how much they have gained in mobile games these past years, and that's because of countries like India and China and so on and so forth, where mobile games are quite great. So as you can see, it has actually taken over from the console for their most in-bringing branch, which is absolutely lovely to see. Now, something I don't like about the company right now is how much debt they have, as they have $4.11 billion in debt, and their cash and equivalents is only 1.48. But then again, the enterprise value of this company is very, very high. But then again, look at it, market cap to debt is almost 10%, which of course we are going to estimate is going to be mostly shattered or at least paid off once they release GTA 6, which is going to bring in a ton of money. Now, the analyst rating on this are quite decent. As you can see, we have 21 strong buy, 3 buy, 5 hold, and 1 strong sell. But even though we have a strong sell, it's only down by minus 12.27%. So overall, that is quite little. But then again, the strong buy maximum is up by 23%. So it's not very, very crazy bits saying it's going to be 350 or it's going to be 100. I think it's going to be, people are going to be surprised at how much either GTA 6 is going to cost and how many people are going to buy it. I do think definitely right now is a great time to get into it. Now, have I bought the stock myself? No, I haven't done that yet, but I am highly considering it. And the reason I haven't personally bought in is because I want to see a bit better technicals and watch them to increase in a slow and calm manner upwards, because I am a technical investor. Now, as you can see down here in the EPS, they're estimated to increase the EPS rapidly in 2026, and that's of course because we estimate that GTA 6 is going to come out next year. You can see that down here as well in the earnings, as you can see down here in the revenue, it's estimated to increase more and more past 2026. Now, that was my analysis on Take-Two Interactive. If you like this video, please don't forget to leave a like and subscribe, and of course remember, this isn't financial advice, it's purely for entertainment and educational purposes. If you want to see more videos like this, please leave the comment to analyze in the comment section below.